Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing batteries and powering off the controller so you don't short circuits. Next, unscrew the visible screws and organize them by location. This prevents reassembly mistakes. Use a plastic spudger to separate the shell. Metal tools can damage clips. Once done, lift the rear shell away and locate the analog stick module on the PCB. Make sure to note ribbon cable positions and any foam pads. That prevents misalignment when you reassemble. Now you remove the old analog stick. If it's soldered, heat each of the 3 pins and desolder them carefully. If it's a plug-in module, depress the clip and pull straight out. Inspect the pads and connector for lifted traces or corrosion. Repair before continuing. Fit the replacement stick, aligning tabs and seating the shaft squarely. Then resolder pins with small amounts of solder or push the connector until it clicks. Make sure the gimbal moves smoothly. Excess solder can bind movement. To finish, reconnect any ribbon cables and place the shell halves together, making sure internal foam and buttons sit flush. Screw components back in evenly. Over-tightening can warp the case and cause mechanical issues. Reinstall batteries and power on the console, then run stick calibration in the controller settings to verify full range and neutral position. If you see drift or dead zones, power down and reopen to recheck solder joints, connector seating, and gimbal alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.